Hi, I'm Devlin Pierce with the Fireplace Place. I'm here today to talk to you about wood burning inserts. If you're considering putting a wood burning insert in your home, you're going to be blown away by the difference that an insert can make to your home.
A wood burning insert is a wood burning stove with a blower designed to fit into your existing fireplace. If you choose to burn wood and have an existing fireplace, this choice is going to fascinate you because of the many benefits it offers. Your existing wood-burning fireplace is only 20% efficient, and over the course of a year, it will cost you more in heat loss and downdrafts than it will help you. Today's EPA-approved wood-burning inserts are designed to heat your home efficiently, lower your wood consumption, provide a safer solution to burning wood, lower emissions, seal the open flue to your home, and increased ambiance with large glass doors. Whether you're looking to heat a room or your whole home, there is a wood-burning insert for every fireplace. Today's modern technology allows wood inserts to achieve efficiencies up to 80%. What that means to you is that 80% of the heat is being pushed into your home, as opposed to 80% going up the chimney in an open fireplace. Another huge benefit is the fact that a wood insert can save you up to 70% in wood consumption. Due to modern designs with the built-in reburn systems, today's inserts can produce burn times of up to 14 hours. Think about that. That is only 2 loads of wood per day versus every 45 minutes in an open fireplace. A secondary benefit of the reburn system is lowered emissions. Open fireplaces or non-EPA approved stoves emit up to 80 grams of harmful emission per hour into the ozone system. By using a modern EPA approved wood insert, we can lower these harmful emissions to as low as 0.58 grams per hour. Now that is an investment in your children's future. By burning wood in a wood insert, you have the ability to safely control the fire by closing the door and damping the unit down. No longer do you have to stay awake till your fire goes out or worry about leaving home with a fire burning. These units are meant to safely burn around the clock. Now let's talk about heat loss. One of the most commonly unrecognized causes of heat loss is an open fireplace. With hot air rising, an undampered chimney acts as a vacuum, sucking the paid-for heat out of your home. By burning a fire in your open fireplace, you are exaggerating this heat loss to the tune of up to 1,000 cubic feet per minute. In the past, one of the largest deterrent of wood inserts was the inability to see the fire. They either had solid doors or glass doors that you could not keep clean. Today's wood inserts have air wash systems that will self-clean the glass door. The hotter the fire, the cleaner the glass. If the size of the glass door matters, we have inserts that feature up to 319 square inches of glass viewing area. One other ingredient is the actual visual of the unit. Whether you prefer a unit that sits on your hearth or a unit that fits flush with the front of your fireplace, we have options to accommodate you. A quality wood insert can range from $2,000 to $4,500. The prices are directly related to heat capacity, design, options, and manufacturer. When considering a wood insert, you also have to factor in the cost of installation and venting requirements. Be sure that the installer is certified by the National Fireplace Institute and is properly insured. By investing in a wood-burning fireplace, you can expect to achieve one of the most cost-effective ways to heat your home, meanwhile conserving your environment while capturing the beautiful ambiance of an authentic wood-burning fire.
If you've been thinking of adding a fireplace to your home or upgrading an existing one, check us out online at efireplaceplace.com or give us a call today for all of your Atlanta fireplace, hearth, and outdoor kitchen needs. Remember, at the Fireplace Place, your comfort is our business.